Good morning, students. Today we discuss conjunction. Conjunction is a word to join conjunction is a word to join the words, sentences or clauses is called the conjunctions. Conjunctions is a word to join the two words or more words, two sentences or two clauses. That joining words we call the conjunctions. Here and, but, or, otherwise, because, if, that and etc. These are the conjunctions. And, but, or, otherwise, because, if, that, these are the conjunctions. We discuss here joining words. Which words? Joining words. Those words are joining, that words we call the conjunctions. For example, we have to discuss here George and John are good friends. Here George and John, there are two persons, George and John. There are the two persons. These two persons, two words we are joining with and, therefore we call the conjunctions. Means George and John are good friends, and here is a conjunction because there is a two words are joining the and, therefore we call the conjunctions. Second, we have to he is a good boy. He is a good boy and good student. Here he is a good boy and good student. Here two words, good boy one words and good student. Here and is a conjunctions. And is a conjunctions. Second, we discuss here he is an honest and clever boy. Here also he is an honest and clever boy. Honest one adjective, clever is the second adjective. Both adjective we have joined with the and, therefore we call the conjunction. Second we have to discuss the but. He is a poor boy, but he gave money. He gave money to his friends. Here he is a poor boy, but he gave money to his friends. Here but is a conjunctions. Here but is a conjunctions because he is a poor boy. This is a one sentence. He is a poor boy. This is a one sentence. And second, he gave money to his friends. The second sentence. Here two sentences are joining this word. Therefore, we call the conjunctions. But is a conjunctions. Second, we discuss here. She is very good girl. But she does not help to anyone. One sentence here. She is a very good girl. It is one sentence. And second sentence is that she does not help to anyone. She does not help to anyone. Here two sentences are joining the one word. That word we call the conjunction. That word is a but. Second, we have to discuss here another conjunction, that is a or. Here, would you like tea or coffee? Here one sentence is there, would you like tea or coffee? There is a one word tea and second is a coffee. Means these two words are joining the one word, that word we call the or, and that word is a conjunctions. Would you like tea or coffee? The second sentence is that do you like black pen or red pen? Second sentence is there, do you like black pen or red pen? Here is a or. There is a two words, black pen and red pen. Means these two words are joining the one word. That word is a or, and therefore we call the conjunctions. Or is an conjunctions. The another conjunction is there, otherwise. Fourth number is a otherwise. He will pass work hard, otherwise that person will give the punishment. Here one sentence is there, he will work hard. The another sentence is that that person will give the punishment. Here otherwise is an adjective. The otherwise is an conjunction, because this one word joining the two sentences is called the conjunctions. In this way we have to discuss here and, but, or, otherwise. Another conjunctions we have to discuss here, because. Another conjunction we have to discuss here, because. I am not coming to school today because I am ill. One sentence here there, I am not coming to school today. One sentence here, I am not coming to school today. Second sentence is that I am ill. Here one sentence and second sentence here, and these two sentences are joining the one sentence, that one word, that word we call the conjunctions. Means here because is an conjunction. Another conjunction is a if. He will fail in the exam if he do not study. If he does not study. If he did not study hard. Here one sentence is that he will fail in the exam. One sentence, he will fail in an exam if he does not study hard. जर त्यांनी अभ्यास केला नाही तर तो परीक्षेमध्ये नापास होतील. Here two sentences are joining the one word, that word is a if. In this way, if also conjunctions. Here we have to discuss the definition first. Conjunction is a word to joining the words, sentences or clause is called the conjunctions. Examples are there, and, but, or, otherwise, because, if, that. These are the conjunctions, and we have to discuss also different type of examples. Through this example, that words only show the joining the words, joining the sentences or joining the clauses. In this way we have to discuss the conjunctions. Tomorrow you will discuss the another part. Thank you so very much.